This is the bad noise that the fan makes. You can hear the fan. The fan that's causing the problem is in the rear. That fan is making a bad sound.